Hello friends, hope you all are fine. In this video I will tell you functions in Python. It is kind of beginner only. If, if you want to know, you want knowledge, some knowledge about functions in Python, then watch this video. This is for you. In this video we will talk basically what is function, how to create a function, how to call a function. We will see some program function returns something, function with parameter. Okay, let's try these things. First question arises, what is function in Python? In Python, a function is a group of related statements that performs a specific task. We use def keyword to create a function. This def, you can see, okay, def root. This is a function. Okay, this kind. Now let's create a simple function. Let's create a function. I told you we use def keyword for creating a function in Python. Def fun, we are creating a function named fun, and just we will use pass. Okay. One thing, we use pass when function returns nothing. Okay. So def is a keyword to create a function. Fun, yeah, fun is a function name. Okay, hope you got clear everything. We will run this, whether let's check it's running properly. Yes. Okay, no errors. Now let's call a function. How to call a function? Let's see that. We have a function fun. Now let's call the function. Calling function. What we can do, print now this is function calling. Okay, because I told you before, this pass, when we use pass, we use pass when function returns nothing, so none. Now next, function returns something. Let's see. Okay, for that we will return what? Hello. Okay, the return statement is used to return the hello when function calls. See, it returned hello. Now we will see a function with parameter. Okay, now let's see a function with parameter a comma b. These are parameters a and b, and we will return a plus b, sum of these two, and we will call this function. We will pass the values here 10, 5. This is the formal parameter and this is the actual parameter. When the function call, when function call, the first argument goes to a and the second argument goes to b, so it returns 15 as output. Let's see. See, it is returning 15 as output. Now let's see a program. Okay, let's create a function to check number is odd or even. Okay, let's see that. First we will create a function. I told you before, def, by def keyword create a function. Def check number. We will check a number whether it is even or odd. This simple program. if number is divisible by 2, will return it's even. Yes. Okay. Else we will return it's odd. Simple. Now we will check one number 10, it is even or odd. Let's see. If okay, function name we used earlier. I didn't notice here. Was in little hurry. See, it's even because 10 is even. This is program to create a function. We created a function to check number is odd or even. Okay, let's check another number also. Let's check 5. It's odd. Okay, so hope you like this video. Thanks for watching video. Like, share and subscribe channel, and keep following Python project series for more um, for Python projects, and keep following this Python how-to series for getting information and modules, how to work with Python modules, and all these things. Thank you for watching the video, and don't press the bell like don't forget to press the bell icon to get latest video notifications. Thank you.